Can I take my crypto out of eToro? If you are asking that question, I want you to take a deep, deep breath right now, because we need to talk. We need to talk about your money, your security, and your peace of mind as you approach or live in your retirement years. Look at me. When you are at this stage of your life, the name of the game is control. You cannot afford to have your hard-earned wealth tied up in a system where you don't fully understand the rules, where you don't have the keys, and where one sudden market shift or platform restriction can leave you locked out. You are asking if you can take your cryptocurrency off of eToro because deep down, you are feeling a very real, very justified fear. You are feeling the fear of the unknown. You're looking at that digital screen and realizing, wait a minute, do I actually own this? Can I touch it? Can I move it to a safe place where nobody can touch it but me? Let me give you the direct, bottom line answer right now, with absolutely no sugarcoating. Yes, you can take your crypto out of eToro. But, and this is a massive Susie Orman but, it is not as simple as clicking a button that says withdraw, and it is absolutely riddled with rules, restrictions, and fees that will catch you completely off guard if you do not pay attention right now. Here is the problem. Many of you bought cryptocurrency on eToro thinking it works exactly like buying a stock. You thought, I bought it, it's mine, I'll just transfer it when I want. No, no, no. eToro is primarily an investment platform, not a dedicated crypto wallet. When you buy crypto there, it sits in your eToro trading account. To actually take it out, to hold the real digital asset in your own hands, so to speak, you have to go through a multi-step process. You have to download a completely separate app called the eToro Money Crypto Wallet. Then, you have to request to transfer your positions from the trading platform into that wallet. And only from that specific wallet can you send it to an external, private storage drive or another exchange. Now, why does this create so much anxiety? Because when you actually try to do it, you start running into a brick wall of limitations. And when you are retired, limitations equal stress. First of all, you can only transfer by positions, meaning you used cash, no leverage, no borrowing. If you are involved in copy trading, or if your crypto is part of a managed smart portfolio on their platform, you cannot just transfer it. You would have to close those positions entirely. Furthermore, there is a waiting period that trips up absolutely everyone. Depending on how you funded your account, eToro puts a lock on your funds. If you used a debit card or certain online banking methods, they will make you wait days, sometimes weeks, depending on your account level, before you are allowed to move that crypto off the platform. Why? Because they are protecting themselves from fraud. But while they are protecting themselves, your money is locked up, and you are sitting there watching the volatile crypto market gyrate up and down, feeling completely powerless. And let's talk about the fees, because you know how I feel about unnecessary fees wasting your retirement money. eToro charges you a percentage just to transfer your coins from the trading platform to the eToro wallet. We are talking about a fee that can swallow up to 2% of your transaction size. Think about that. If you have a significant chunk of your retirement nest egg sitting in crypto, giving up 2% just to move it from the left hand to the right hand of the exact same company is painful. And that doesn't even include the blockchain network fees you have to pay when you eventually send it from their wallet to your own private wallet. So, what is the actionable takeaway here? What must you do today to protect yourself? First, I want you to log into your eToro account right now and check your eligibility. Do you have a verified mobile phone number attached for two-factor authentication? You must have this, or nothing moves. Is your country or state even allowed to transfer crypto? For example, if you live in Nevada or Hawaii, crypto trading and transfers face severe restrictions. Check the rules for your specific region today. Second, if your goal is true financial security and ownership, you need to download the eToro Money Crypto Wallet, initiate the transfer for your supported coins, accept the fee as a lesson learned, and move those assets out. Once they are in that wallet, you send them straight to a self-hosted hardware wallet, a physical device that you control, where you hold the private keys.